Today we're going to be talking about Polymath and why it is up so much and whether or not it can run even more. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Pro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, why it's your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the algorithm. And I know this is a crypto video, but if you guys want a free stock that could be worth up to $70 when you just deposit $1 on the platform, and then you also want to see our public stock portfolio, you want to see what we're buying, what we're selling, and why, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. This is sort of what you will see when you actually sign up for Public and follow us at It's Finance Bro. You'll be able to see what we invest in. We just invest in AMC, DraftKings. We'll be giving updates on different stocks, as well as you can see our portfolio and our long-term portfolio as well. So if that interests you guys, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. But anyways, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, Polymath. So before we talk about the coin itself, we have to talk about the social activity around the coin. So we can see here that Polymath is actually the number 4 trending crypto/stock on StockTwits. StockTwits is a place where you can kind of find out what crypto and stocks are trending. Normally on the weekend, crypto is trending, but Polymath actually was trending number 1 yesterday, even during the day when there was stocks still being traded. So I found it to be interesting that Polymath was trending number 1 yesterday, and it's still trending today, as that really doesn't happen that often with crypto. But yeah, you could also see here that among the most active, they're the most active crypto, and then they're the 7th most active stocks and crypto of the past 24 hours. And then you can also see here that they're the most added to watch lists on StockTwits, so a lot of people are starting to gear up for Polymath. Now, we are not sponsored by StockTwits, just want to make that clear. We are sponsored, however, by Public. First link in the description. But yeah, we can also come over here to the Lunar Crush, and we can see here that the number 5 alt rank is Polymath. So the only cryptos above them are going to be Access Infinity, Polygon, Matic, Phantom, and Hive. So they are the number 5 alt rank on Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush is another site where it kind of tracks the social activity. As you can see here, if we take a look at Lunar Crush Polymath and they decide to actually load, you can see here that the social volume, this is a kind of graph that shows the social volume compared to price. So as you can see here, the price was sitting at about 40 cents until yesterday when they had a huge bump in volume and price, and it the social volume around it just went absolutely sky high. That's when they peaked at about $1.30, and then the social volume has come down, but the price is still up there. So yeah, overall, when all of these are green right here, that is what I like to see, and that shows me a cryptocurrency that is about to explode. So that's just something to look at if you guys want to check the social and investing activity around it. Now we can check if you guys want some extra resources for Polymath. I found that the Polymath Network Twitter, which is verified by the way, so you guys don't have to worry about that, has some really cool resources. I mean, the Twitter in general provides a lot of good information on like what they are, what is coming up, but they also have a Reddit and a Telegram in their bio. So if you guys want to go join their Reddit, go join their Telegram. That's where you're going to find out all the new stuff that's coming up with Polymath. So overall, just if you guys want some more stuff to look at for Polymath, go ahead and join their Reddit, their Telegram, and follow their Twitter. Okay, but anyways, let's get into what Polymath is all about and kind of what what they're all about. So let's get into this. Basically, Polymath is a security tokens blockchain thing. Let's get into this. Polymath provides technology to create, issue, and manage digital securities on the blockchain. So if I come down here real quick, you can actually see that they're trying to drive efficiency into capital markets. So they're trying to bring this to the everyday securities world. As you can see here, they are the leading they are leading the security token revolution. Over 200 tokens have been deployed using their Ethereum-based solution, and we are now in the midst of launching Polymesh. I believe this was supposed to be launched a while ago. That might be why it's up so much today, is because of Polymesh, an institutional-grade blockchain built specifically for regulated assets. So currently they have about 381 tickets reserved and 206 live tokens. Now let's talk about their solutions. They are offering a new offering for their clients. Basically, Polymath's white label solution allows broker dealers, banks, and asset managers to integrate Polymath's technology into their broader offerings. It lets them leverage Polymath's technology for token creation, issuance management, and corporate actions, while also branding and customize the process and experience. Not only that, you can issue with Polymath. Token Studio is a self-service application that allows users to create, issue, and manage security tokens with a simple, intuitive interface. So you're basically able to do it yourself. Like any piece of tech, it relies on the user to set the terms and rules that need to be enforced. Polymath doesn't provide any guidance or services around the issuance, buying, or selling of securities. I think they say that in order to not be labeled as a security and taxed that way. And then in terms of a service provider, you can join their ecosystem. The Polymath Service Provider Marketplace brings together an ecosystem that includes custody agents, broker dealers, legal firms, and cap table management providers, and others who can manage the full token lifecycle. So it's kind of end to end. Not only that, but they're trying to drive efficiency into capital markets. Like I said earlier, they relentlessly focus on the technological backbone for security tokens, whether configuring tokens using the Polymath Token Studio or integrating their broker-dealer toolkit into your offering. Polymath's technology brings efficiency and transparency to the security token market. So they are the leader in this token market, but this is what makes them kind of better. They are open source, they are standardized, they are modular, they're automated, and they're end-to-end. So overall, those are all three kind of trigger words or buzzwords that you want to see when you are looking into this type of cryptocurrency. Anyways, let's get into Polymath. So Polymath is at about $1.01 right now. They are up more than 86% and 87% of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And in terms of rank, they are 122, so they have a lot of room to grow. They are only on 31,000 watch lists for comparison. Shiba Inu is on about 1 million. SafeMoon is on about 1 million. So they are on the come up, but they are not close to where some of these other cryptocurrencies are. In terms of market cap, they are at about 622 million, which is very, very low. If we compare that to other cryptocurrencies, you can see that Bitcoin is at about almost $1 trillion. Ethereum's at about $458 billion. Cardano even is at $91 billion. And if you take a look here, only about $4 billion are transacted in Cardano. If you take a look at Polymath, $2 billion are transacted. So they have about 1/100th of the market cap, yet in the past 24 hours they only have about half of the volume. So they are being talked about, they are being transacted a lot today, and that is just something to think about, definitely. But yeah, let's go over this price action real quick. Obviously, Polymath did hit about $1.31, $1.31 yesterday, but we have come all the way down to about $1. I would like to see them stay above this support of $1, but if not, they could be heading all the way down to 96 cents, which would be the next support line I would see, or there's a very, very strong support line at about 85 cents. So yeah, I mean, if we stay above $1, that'd be nice. Next support line would be 96. Next support line after that would be 85. That's really the max I could see this fall, which would be about 15%. But it could fall, so just be ready for that possibility. If we take a look at historical data, you can see that Polymath was only transacting about $16 million before 2 days ago, and then yesterday they transacted about almost $1 billion, and then today they have transacted $2.1 billion. So this has been a massive uptick. This is a new runner in cryptocurrency, so this is definitely something to be on the lookout for. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and then also make sure you just comment anything. It really helps with the growth of the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, that is pretty much going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.